2012 Jeep Liberty, 3.5 liter V6. Came in with a coolant leak. We found a leak coming out here, spraying all over the place. This was also too full and dumping all over. So we gave it a rinse, and now after the rinse and after fixing that and no more leaks, it appears there's now a misfire. Not one but two. So there's 1 and 5 according to the scan data. And she's not happy. Not happy at all. Let's turn off these lights. We had a little light show going on earlier. There's been, oh, I don't know if you can see that in the camera. It might be too slow. Oh, that will get a spark outside the cylinder here every once in a while. I see here. This is cylinder 5 and cylinder 1, both dead misfires. Now, nope, I want to see if any water got in there. If water did get in there, that's that means it's kind of weak. Pressure wash all of these vehicles all the time without having this issue still. No, it wasn't misfiring before. I'll leave this running here. Pull it up a little bit. And the dog with the other one. And all I'm looking for here to see if I can see it. The sparks jumping around inside. The waste spark system, so 10 times is not even, I don't know if you can hear it. You can hear it jumping there. Number 4 is not misfiring. What a difference. You hear that one firing all the time, every time. How about this one? Nowhere near enough. Like half pace. How about this one? That's slow. Listen to that. Yeah, it's so fast. It's like a typewriter. What's going on over there? Other cylinders over here. Okay, no obvious water in the plugs. Now it's going out the end. Oh, it's sparkling. Oh, isn't that interesting? Slow and fast. Okay. Shut it down. Let's have a close look at that boot. And where it looked like it was arcing, basically right off the side there. I have a whole bunch of white, white oxidation powder that can come off. I have water on the inside of this boot. Take it off carefully here. Any moisture at all? Nope. Dry as a bone. It's not caused by water. But I don't know if you can look right here. Looks like I have carbon tracking. Definite carbon tracking right there. Stupid hair. Well, let's get an eraser. Try to get rid of the carbon tracking. If you ever have dirty contacts that have a carbon buildup, an eraser is a great way of doing it. I've even taken these erasers and trimmed them down so they're nice and pointy. Get onto some hard to reach contact places. Then here, let's put some dielectric grease on this. Looks like I need a little bit more. Now usually we just replace coils and boots and stuff like that, but this guy's on a budget. Didn't come in with it. Something changed while I was here. The only thing that changed was moisture. So you can buy them a little bit more time with these coils before they need to be replaced. But again, you can see the white powder around the outside here where it's been arcing. So a little bit of repair in the bottle. Yeah. I'm gonna do this too. You always put dielectric grease on your spark plug boots. Okay. Is that? I'm going to pull out number one there and just check the spark plug. Make sure we don't have any carbon tracking going down the side of the plug too. I feel like I'm having a bad hair day. If it's in the camera, I'm sorry. Spark plug is definitely wet. Is there any gap there? Oh yeah, there's a gap. You'd think they shut the injector off. But they don't. Is that rusty? There's an old gap, or old plug. Right. I'll look at this side. Look for any cracks. Good way to look for cracks. Get some of this fine powdery stuff. If you have any cracks, they'll work its way into the crack and pop it. Look really obvious. Nope. But nope, that's good. Okay. Back together. Okay, I'm not going to do number 5 yet because I just want to see if this fixes number 1. Fixes number 1, then I'll try number 5. The reason why I'm doing that is because I'm short on camera time. There we go. What do we see here? This fire is now gone on number 1. Do the same thing for number 5. Okay. Excellent. Okay. Gentle, gentle. Excellent. It's looking all glossy in there. I'm gonna blow that out. You might move. Let's do this. Let's see if any moisture comes out. No. Okay. Okay, carrying on. Where'd my eraser go? There it is. I think what I'll do for this gentleman as well is go around and apply dielectric grease to everything for all these boots. Buy him a bit more time, both on the coil boots and on spark plug boots. That's looking better. Good. Of course, don't lose the spring inside. Okay. Make sure nothing's down inside this spark plug hole. Get up and get looking. So there might be a little bit of moisture down there. Moisture and debris and rocks and oh, okay. Let's not wear that in the face. All dirt and mud and stuff. Yuck. Oh. Come on. Let's have a look at this. I think there's a little dreary right there. I'm not clocked in?
Nope.
Oh.
What time should you have been clocked in?
At 10:15.
10:15?
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Click. Just tight. Okay. already sounds better. We're dry. What do we have? No more misfires. Excellent. Good. Well, it's all back together. Come on. There you go. Misfire number 1 is back. That's after I bolted it down. So let's have a look. Got some stuff go. 1. Okay, that nice large. Number 1 is a dead mess. So it's coming right up in here. And look at there. Move it around. Go fast. I missed number 1. What's the chair cylinder here? One goes over here. Bolt down on it. Oh, I have an idea. Let's shut this down and put together my idea, bypass that coil boot. I did clear off codes right before I started, so whatever happened has changed again since my last test. So oh yeah, look at all that white powder around there, and she's hot. Sparking right through it. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on pause. So what I did here is I just put in my little extension, little cord that goes down and up there. We're now bypassing the boot. We moved the boot away from the little wall that it's in. You can see where it's up into the sides. Definitely needs a boot. No getting around it. And you can see here, number 1, where are you? That's you. Custom. Select all. No more misfire. Remember before how I was counting up like this? Yeah. Sorry, I tried to salvage it, but it cannot be salvaged. needs a boot. Ideally, you need the whole coil, but yeah. Anyways, all the boots, all the coils, they're all damaged. They're all showing their age. I don't know how many miles is on this thing or kilometers. But 2012 is now 2025. 13 years old, all OEM. It's had a good life. But yeah, hanging on by the thread.